G'day everyone, welcome back to Pizza Investing, July 5th, 2023. This is the Euro-British Pound currency update. There's been a few currencies which are showing difference in their bullish-bearish signals, and the Euro-British Pound is one of those. It's showing a bearish signal on the weekly, but a bullish signal on the daily. So we like to see both of these aligned. In other words, taking long trades on the hourly when both the weekly and daily are long, or bearish trades when both are in the short positioning. So at the moment, they're a bit conflicted. You can see here on the weekly, the triple moving average of the price chart, moving average of the CCI 150 and our oscillator is showing a bearish signal. So predominantly bearish trades should be taken when the daily also aligns that way. As you can see here, they're currently in an uptrend, showing us a bullish signal, but they looks like it may be reversing to the downside shortly in the next day or two, possibly. So I'll keep an eye on that. But you can see here it's bounced off once off the 85.18 support level down here, and it's currently sticking to this declining channel. Now that channel was drawn previously with this bullish divergence on the CCI versus a bearish on the price chart. That would have been our entry point. When it broke above at that level there, the price retraced a bit, but then it came up and it hit it with this wick into that area there. And that target area would have been the closest Fibonacci level. So let me just draw that quickly for you, for those new to the channel. That would have been the closest Fibonacci level. You can take it up to any particular spot. Let's pull it up to this area, and that was the area we highlighted as the target area, the 38% to the 50%, and that wick penetrated that 38% at 86.54. So that's how you trade and set up the target for those divergence. On the hourly, we had another couple of divergence, and again this was the bullish on the CCI versus the bearish on the price. Came up, hit our target area there. And more recently, we've got this bearish divergence. That looks pretty flat. So if I zoom out on that one, you can see that's still a declining trend line between those two CCI peaks. So that's still a bearish momentum versus the bullish momentum on the price chart. The price did collapse from that point there, and it broke below this channel. That's our entry point. You can see there it came close to our target area. And again, the target area Fibonacci level between that low to that high, we set it at the 61%. So it just bounced or near it, didn't actually hit it. So we don't panic, we leave it. It actually went back towards that lower channel, then eventually failed and fell below and hit our target area. It's actually now coming and approaching the lower level of that Fibonacci range. So that target area has been hit. So that divergence play is a separate strategy to the weekly, daily trend that we advocate. So when the weekly and the daily are aligned, currently they're not, but when they're aligned, that's when we look at the hourly chart and we run a back test. You can see here while the price is going up, this is a long program only, you would have gone long during that period, and there's a couple of points where it averaged down. So again, you only trade this when the weekly and daily are aligned. You take long trades using the strategy. And the strategy shown here is, I posted another video, the strategy video today, so go back and check it out today to understand how to trade that. But that's the back test for that strategy. You can see there the profitability of that, and it's done okay since then. So to understand how to trade this and other strategies, subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.